Hey there, I want to explain the difference between materials that are readily available at plastic supply stores and the custom materials that we have run. Our custom material is industry known as smooth or smooth both sides. That means it's completely smooth on both sides. The sheet's a little dirty because it's been sitting up. And here's some hair cell one side and smooth the other side. We can get this all day long, but the intention of this material is to be formed with this side up. This is always going to be the exposed side, because if we formed it with this side down, you'd be left with little bumps all over the top that just couldn't be fixed. Because here's an example of some of the parts that we're forming right now for a local client. You can see it hides all the imperfections. And since we have our materials custom run with Smooth, it's one of the main reasons why us and every other supplier and maker is having issues and longer lead times of getting material. It's great material, but it's not suitable for our purposes.